Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about something completely different. As you know from watching my videos, I'm a photographer first, but I always thought it would be kind of cool to try some aerial photography and some angles that you can't get from being on the ground. And I'm not a drone pilot, I've never owned a drone before, but then I heard about DJI's Mavic Air 2S with a 1-inch sensor and at a reasonable price, and so I thought I'd give it a try. And I'm going to give you my initial take on being a new drone pilot with the Mavic Air 2S in this video. So the Mavic Air 2S comes in a package with one battery that lasts about 30 minutes of flight time. You get the propellers, of course, that snap on and off so it's easier to travel. And you also get a standard controller. And I'm running mine with just my normal smartphone. I happen to have a Motorola G-Power phone. It's not the newest and latest and greatest, but it works just fine with the DJI Fly app. As I said, I'm not a drone pilot and I've never owned a drone before, but I decided to study for my Part 107 license and I was able to pass the test on the first try. I will put a couple of links down in the description below of the places that I went to study for the test. It actually isn't all that difficult if you put a little bit of time into it, and I'm sure you can pass your test as well. Of course, there are a lot of places where drone photography is not allowed, such as the national parks. But there's endless places where you can fly your drone, and I went around Colorado for about a week and a half, and here's some examples of the flight photography that I got. So I hope you've enjoyed my first takes at aerial photography. DJI made this drone very user-friendly, and for a newbie like me, I learned it pretty quickly, and it's a very fun way to get some different angles that you can't get with a normal camera.
Thank you for watching our videos.
See you later.
See you later.